Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Google Play Store is not working in Samsung Galaxy A05s. If you are using Galaxy A05s and you're facing the issue that your Google Play Store isn't working, it's not opening, or it's not downloading apps or installing apps, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing I recommend you have to scroll in the control center and just make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode to make a quick refresh with all your network settings. And once you have done, you have to retry to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to go to settings app here. Very first, go to software update and just try to check for updates to make sure that your phone might have an independent software update. If you find, just try to update your software. After updating software, go to device here and then go to storage. You have to make sure that you have enough storage in your phone, like almost 15 to 20 GB free with your internal storage to download and install any app as well. If you're still facing the same issue, have enough storage, but you're still getting the same issue, your Play Store app is still not working. So let's see some possible fixes for this. You have to keep a long press on your Play Store app. Click on this info button here. Just scroll down, go to storage, click on clear cache. After clearing cache, you have to retry to open your Play Store. If you are able to access your Play Store, your Play Store is not downloading, or you can try to go to settings here. Just click on the profile icon. Go to settings, go to about, so you can try to update your Play Store. How to make sure that your Play Store is completely up to date. You might have an pending update for your Play Store. If you find, just try to update it, so it might help you to fix out your issue. Once you have done, you have to retry, or if it's still not working for you, so it's the only way. Keep a long press on Play Store app, click this info button, make sure that Play Store is not active in background, then just go to storage, click on clear data. After clearing data, just go back, click for stop, click OK. After forcefully stopping your app, just scroll down, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on this restart icon again to have a restart with your phone. And once your phone has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.